Hello, and welcome to Fire Protection Systems. My name is Randy Way, and I'll be your instructor for this course. This video will give you a short tour of the Blackboard Learning Management System and the course environment. The first video, or the first thing that will open up when you open the course, is actually this video that you're watching right now, and it's available under the Start Here tab. Below the Start Here tab are a series of tabs that are in the course to assist you in making progress through it. The first one is Announcements. Any announcements that are posted will be sent directly to your MATC email, and additionally will be posted here in the course. The tab below that is Instructor Information, and if you click on the Contacts link, you will find information about how to get in touch with me, my office line, my cell phone number, office hours, and email. The next tab is Course Information, and this tab contains a couple of things. The master document, which contains the syllabus, as well as the semester exam objectives. And I do want to take just a moment to address the exam objectives. This course is built on a series of formative assessments, that is to say, a series of quizzes that you'll encounter as the course proceeds. From all of the quiz questions then are drawn the final exam questions. And what you have here in these exam objectives is a list of question names, basically by quiz. So there are 140 questions listed here in the exam objectives, and from these 140 questions, the final exam questions will be drawn. My advice to you would be to use this as a checklist when you're studying for the final. If you can go through this entire list and feel comfortable with all of the concepts that are addressed in the objectives list, you should have no issues on the final. The tab below that is to the course text materials. This course is supported by a 2-volume course pack that is available through the Madison College bookstore, and unfortunately that's the only place that it's available at this point. But you can click on these graphics. These graphics, if you click on them, will take you to the Madison College bookstore online ordering facility where you can have these sent to you, or you can pick them up at the Truax campus. The next tab is a statement about technical and academic support for you as the student, and I would encourage you to read through that on your own time. And then I've included some folders with resources and links to other assistance that's available here at the college. Specifically, there's a folder that has many of Blackboard's tutorials that show you how to kind of resolve problems on your own, as well as links to contact information with the student helpline, which is at area code 608-246-4444. Additionally, there are some resources in terms of learning and academics, and a statement from the Blackboard Corporation on accessibility within their course. Finally, in the informational tabs, there is a tab for My Grades, and as an instructor, there's no fields to be filled in this tab for me, but when you click on this, you'll be able to see the grade book for the course. I'll make every effort to keep the grade book current within 24 hours of each meeting so that you'll know where you stand in terms of grades. Moving on from the informational tabs, the remaining tabs are the weekly tabs for this course, and you can see that there are 16 of them representing the 16 weeks of the semester. And if I click on the first week tab, you'll see that it includes 2 folders. One is for the Monday meeting of this class, one is for the Wednesday meeting of this class. So this Blackboard site has been set up to support a face-to-face or telepresence course. You may be taking this online or hybrid, and in that case, you still need to complete everything under the Week 1 tab in the first week of the class. It's just a matter of you don't have to necessarily get to it on Monday or Wednesday. When I click on the Week 1 Monday folder, you're going to see the materials that we're going to use in the course that day. And the thing that is probably particularly useful for you is the checklist. So the checklist kind of describes what activities we would get through on the face-to-face course, and then what activities would be homework for the next time, unless you're taking this as a hybrid and an online class, in which case you'll need to get through all of those activities on your own. Finally, at the end of the Blackboard course is a tab for the final exam. And the final exam will not be visible to you until we get into finals week. But there are some resources here to help prepare you for that final exam. And the one that you can see now is the Vocabulary Wiki. So the story is that as the course proceeds, we'll be working on filling this out as a group. And these definitions are used in the homework. So this is a place for you to come and get the information you need to successfully complete the homework. That will conclude our tour of the Blackboard course shell. As always, if there's anything I can do to assist your learning, please feel free to get in touch with me.